Okay, guys, on the 3rd of April, a Virgin Atlantic flight from London to Mumbai had to make an emergency landing in Turkey, and the emergency landing was due to medical reason. So lots of passengers were stranded in the Turkish airport for several hours. I think there were over 200 Indians were stranded. So a Virgin Atlantic flight has made an emergency medical landing in Turkey, and this has happened on the 3rd of April. The aircraft was an Airbus 350. Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you. I dreamed that on the 25th of February. So, meaning like a bit over a month ago, I knew it. What will happen to a Virgin Atlantic flight? So, God already told me 1 month ago that a Virgin Atlantic flight will make an emergency landing, and it has happened. So, this is again just a simple example that I know pretty much everything that is going to happen on this planet. Thank you, guys. Please share it.